In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add nodes in the node graph using the tab search. We'll keep this quick, clear, and efficient so you can build your setups without hunting through menus. The node graph is where everything in your project comes together, so the first thing you want to do is make sure that panel is actually active. Give the node graph a single click on any empty area. This tells the application, hey, I'm working here. If you have multiple panels open, such as a viewer or a timeline, clicking the node graph ensures your next shortcut goes to the right place. You might notice a subtle highlight or border indicating it's active. If a node is already selected, that's fine. The key is that the panel itself has focus. Now, press the tab key on your keyboard. This opens the node creation or search box, usually appearing right where your cursor is. If you don't see it, double check that the node graph is active and try again. The tab menu is designed to be fast, so it's perfect for keeping your hands on the keyboard and your attention on the flow of your graph. Start typing the name of the node you want. You don't need to type the full name, just enough to narrow it down. For example, blur, merge, or transform. As you type, the list will filter in real time. This search is generally case insensitive and often supports partial matches, so even a few letters will usually bring up what you need. If you're unsure of the exact name, try the most common part of it. You'll see related options pop up, which is helpful for learning node names over time. Once the list shows the node you want, select it and press enter. If there are multiple results, use the arrow keys to move through the list before confirming. After you hit enter, the node will appear in the node graph, typically at or near your cursor position. That's it. You've added a node without breaking your flow or digging through menus. From here, you can connect it into your existing tree as needed and repeat the same process to add more nodes. The more you use the tab search, the faster it becomes, and it quickly turns into muscle memory. To recap the habit, click to activate the node graph, press tab, type the node name, select it, and press enter.